Hey there, fellow history buffs! Are you ready to explore one of the weirdest and most intriguing events in modern history? Buckle up, because today we're diving into the Tunguska Event of 1908, a cosmic whodunit that still has scientists scratching their heads. On June 30th, 1908, a massive explosion rocked the remote Tunguska region in Siberia, Russia, unleashing an explosive force equivalent to 185 Hiroshima bombs and flattening over 2,000 square kilometers of forest. So grab some popcorn and let's uncover the mystery. So, what caused the Tunguska event? Some say it was a meteorite, others suggest a comet, a mini black hole, or even an alien spacecraft. Yes, you heard that right. Some conspiracy theorists believe that aliens crashed their spaceship in Tunguska, and the Russian government covered it up. Talk about a cosmic cover-up. But let's get back to science, shall we? The meteorite theory is the most widely accepted one, as it explains the bright flash of light and the lack of any impact crater. However, some scientists argue that a comet could have caused the blast, as it would have exploded in the air, creating a fireball and shockwave that would have flattened the forest. Others suggest that a mini black hole or an antimatter object could have caused the event, leaving behind no trace. Mind-boggling, right? And what about the eyewitness accounts? Some reported seeing a bright blue-white light in the sky, followed by a blinding flash and a shockwave that knocked people off their feet. The sound of the explosion was heard as far away as London, England. Others claimed to have seen a strange object in the sky before the blast, leading to the UFO theory. Could it have been an experimental weapon test gone wrong? Or maybe a time-traveling DeLorean from Back to the Future? So what can we make of this cosmic whodunit? The truth is, we may never know for sure what caused the Tunguska event, but that doesn't mean we can't speculate and have some fun with it. Its impact on popular culture has been immense, inspiring countless books, movies, and even video games. So the next time you're gazing up at the stars, remember the strange case of Tunguska and the cosmic mystery that still eludes us. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow conspiracy theorists. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more queer,